Making decisions is a part of everyday life. Sometimes, after making a choice, you might feel regret. This is normal. Making decisions every day is part of regret at some point. The important thing is to know how to handle it. First, understand what regret is. Regret happens when you think your decision was wrong or wish you had chosen differently. It can make you feel sad, anxious, or frustrated, but regret is not a sign of failure. It is a sign that you care about your choices. Next, accept your feelings. It is okay to feel regret. Don't try to ignore it or push it away. Allow yourself to feel and understand why you feel this way. Sometimes writing down your thoughts can help. Write about what you regret and why. This can give you clarity. After accepting your feelings, try to learn from the experience. Ask yourself what you can learn from the decision. Was there something you missed? Could you have chosen better with more information? Use this as a chance to grow. Every decision, even a regretted one, teaches you something valuable. Then focus on the present. Regret often comes from thinking too much about the past. Instead, remind yourself that the past cannot be changed. What you can control is what you do now. Make new plans based on what you have learned. Take small steps forward. Also, avoid overthinking. It is easy to get stuck in a loop of what-if questions. This only increases regret and stress. Instead, practice mindfulness. Pay attention to the present moment. This helps reduce negative thoughts and keeps your mind calm. Another important step is to talk to someone you trust. Sharing your feelings with a friend or family member can lighten the burden. They can offer support and sometimes a different perspective. You don't have to face regret alone. Finally, forgive yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. No one is perfect. Being kind to yourself helps you heal and move on. Remember that regret is temporary. With time and effort, it will get easier. In summary, handling decision regret involves accepting your feelings, learning from your mistakes, focusing on the present, avoiding overthinking, talking to others, and forgiving yourself. These steps can help you grow stronger and make better decisions in the future. Remember, regret is not the end. It is a chance to learn and improve. You can handle regret and use it to build a better life.